This smartphone can record all the way to 8K 30 frames per second. But for the purpose of this video, in a 4K 60 wide angle lens 05, you can compare this video to Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, iPhone 15 Pro, same place, different weather, different day. By the way, we have a beautiful weather. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from the smartphone, from the wide angle lens, this is how it's going to look like. Let me stop. And let's continue. Wow, such a beautiful day. Okay, it is getting a bit windy now. A bit. Telephoto. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. Can you read the license plate? Of course you can. Now that is awesome. Ooh. Now filming with a Xiaomi Ultra is a pure pleasure. Let me move to the other side. Alright. Autofocus and wide angle lens available. You can do all kinds of macro with it. Just like that. That is fantastic. Main lens also available, and it is smooth, quick and smooth. It's not jittery at all. 2x also available. 3.2 also, and telephoto also available. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is available. Look, it's concentrating on those plates, and the background is blur. Exactly. Front facing camera, full length of my arm. Is it overexposing the sky? It will, because it wants to brighten up my face. Oh, we're shooting against the sun directly. See? Do you see the difference? Damn. Wants to brighten up the face. Most smartphones do that. Most Chinese smartphones doing that. This is a trick, my friend. The algorithm is recognizing your face and it's brightened up the image. Alright, do we have autofocus and front facing camera? We don't. Ouch! 1 point on the minus, on the downside. So this is not a maximum experience. Like you can have an S24 Ultra, which has it all. This one unfortunately not. But still, if I get close to it, I'm still very sharp. It is wide. Alright, what else do we have in the smartphone? Settings. There's a RAW Ultra if you wanted to. Leica. 50 megapixel JPEG. Let's stick with RAW Ultra, I guess. Movie mode, but that's only in full HD. If I do it like this and stop. If I'm not moving, that is great. If I'm moving, it's not that great. Alright, that's the movie mode. Cinema Master off, Cinema Master on. Video, like we've seen, we can change all kinds of stuff. We can do super macro, but that's like pointless. Just use a telephoto lens. Or wide angle if you wanted to. Let me show it to you. What's the point? No, there's no point. You know. Steady video, but that's only in full HD, which is not great at all. It's extremely steady. No one will record in full HD with such a smartphone. Come on, that's a no-no. Let's turn it off. Aspect ratio, source tracking. It would teleprompter, motion tracking, focus, and can go all the way to 8K 30. In the photo department, we will have a way more zoom. Check this out. That is a lot of zoom. Tons of it. Fast shot, that's for the fast movement. For shooting cars, or maybe even yeah, check this out. That is a fast shot. Super moon. Alright. Director mode. Director mode is pretty cool. You can play around with the microphone. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's going to work when I'm recording the screen. Is it working? That is the question. Zoom audio omnidirectional. You can add a second camera or monitor. I can see Xiaomi Ultra 4K 60 FPS. This is a monitor. This is a Pro. This is the Ultra. And how quick that is? It is very quick, you see? As a monitor, that is very quick and also very much details. My English not that great, but a lot of details. Look at the quality. And this is a monitor with a sharp image, and that is really, really cool. There are filters, many filters available for you, tons of them, even more, so you can play around if you like. 120. Let me show you some photos. Conclusion, fantastic pictures, especially at night. What a smartphone. I think this is the best smartphone for night photo and video. At daylight, there is one smartphone in the market, Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a high bitrate. Yeah, it's a better quality video, but S24 Ultra is bulky, unpleasant to use. At least for me, it's too big. It's like a clunker. This isn't. This is a one-handed smartphone. You can shoot very easy, and it's pleasant to use. That's what it is. And I prefer to have a smartphone pleasant to use than a huge bulky thing which maybe will give you a little bit better quality. If I want to go extreme, now take the proper camera like I'm filming right now. But anyway, if you heard noises from this smartphone, don't worry about it. This is an optical image stabilization in those 4 lenses, and it's perfectly fine. Your smartphone is great. And if you are in the market for the best night photo and video smartphone experience, link description for you, and of course a discount code for you, so you can get the Ultra with a great price. See you next video.